Hello everyone! Although a Greek dish, I use tzatziki sauce to accompany many of the meals I cook at home, either as a spread or as a dipping sauce. For this wonderful tzatziki sauce, for 4 servings you will need 1 English cucumber, 4 cloves of garlic, kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of dried dill, good quality extra virgin olive oil, and 2 cups of plain unflavored full-fat Greek yogurt. Start by shredding the cucumber either by hand or in a food processor. When done, place a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth over a bowl and put about a quarter of the shredded cucumber in it. Sprinkle a pinch of kosher salt, then add some more of the shredded cucumber and continue until all of the cucumber is in the bowl. The kosher salt will help extract moisture from the cucumber and make the next step a bit easier. Set the bowl of shredded cucumber aside and start working on the rest of the sauce. In a large enough bowl, add the minced garlic cloves, about a teaspoon of olive oil, squeeze about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of kosher salt. Then using a fork, incorporate all the ingredients, and if you like black pepper, add a pinch as well. Now let's get back to the shredded cucumber and try to squeeze as much of the juice out as you can. It's going to take a while, so take a break and then do it again. And don't worry, you're not wasting the cucumber juice. You can either cool it in the refrigerator and drink it later with a pinch of salt, or make a face mask before you go to bed. After you squeeze as much of the juice out, take the shredded cucumber out of the towel and add it to the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Using a fork, incorporate everything well together before adding the yogurt. If you add the yogurt now, it will become too liquidy. When the cucumber is well incorporated with the rest of the ingredients, add the 2 cups of yogurt and gently mix using a rubber spatula. When done, cover the bowl with a lid or saran wrap and let it chill in a refrigerator until serving time. I use tzatziki sauce for pita bread sandwiches, as a side for scrambled eggs in the morning, over shredded beef or fried zucchini. I also use it as a dip. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.